Hi everybody. So it's taken a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, and tears. Literally there was blood. Not like a lot, but there definitely was some to get this place up and running. But here we are from the front door to, we've got our front desk right here with our little sanitizing station. We've got a little mini waiting room that nobody can really use right now because of some state rules. We were gonna have some stations over here, but unfortunately it just wasn't logistically working out, so had to make a few changes. The shelves are a little bare right now because Home Goods isn't open yet. Any lady who sees this video is gonna know why we don't have all our decor up right now, because there's not any. So yeah, so here's what we've got going on in the main salon room. So that's pretty exciting. Their little cabinet full of products. Corrine hung these coat hooks just to perfection. We've got our nice, historically correct, period correct bathroom here. I love this room. The tiles just warm my heart still. In here we have our shampoo room, the cute little photo station, and our shampoo bar, which we're excited about. Our little waxing station, which we also can't use quite yet because of the state guidelines for coronavirus. I'm sure everyone's so sick of that word. And then we have our little salon room back here where our darling Caitlin has made her home and is awaiting her roommate coming soon. Then we have like a nice little product shelf up here. Coming back here, we have the presidential suite. This is where our company president, Corrine, will be making people beautiful. She worked her buns off in here today. And there you have it. So yeah, we're really excited. We're so pumped and we start tomorrow. So lots of cool stuff going on.